Hi Leo, hope you're doing well. Sorry about the previous video. For some reason, the volume seemed to have defaulted to my computer, so apologies for that. So again, I think this will have a better recording to what I had in terms of the audio. So let's start over the charts as to what I've done. So as I said, this is the dashboard that I'm kind of planning to give you. So let me know if there are any changes or two that you kind of looking to get out of it. So having said that, all of these dashboards that I've created here is pretty dynamic in terms of the number. So the first thing that I would assume that you would like to change all of these KPIs to 2021. So my suggestion is you can go ahead and do it. Even if you wanted to go ahead and rename anywhere it says 2020 to 2021, you're free to do so. And as I said, all of these charts are pretty dynamic, which means that if you go ahead and default or change all these numbers to the current year, which I would assume that the Feb till December will have a nullified value, and your Jan will be kind of YTD because we are just starting in the year. So that'll get all updated in here. But just for the demo purpose, and this is pretty much how it will look. And you can actually kind of compare your dashboard between 2020 and 2021 as well. When you have more data, I can probably merge those two as well. So you can reach out to me. We can have a more dynamic way of capturing data and everything that could be done. So starting with the head count, so this chart shows the average day and the month head count, and again this gives you the turnover in terms of the percentage, and again you have your legends as to how much and what's the analyzed one. And here you have the quarter wise head counts right here, and then analyze voluntary turnover, and then this one. The main difference that I could see here, it has a comparison. This one in here, for example. So let's go ahead and see. So I've used this one, voluntary and involuntary. So that's the thing. If you want to go ahead and change the headings to the correct one, you can still do that, but based on the value you still be able to have a better inference. This one shows the voluntary and involuntary overall count in terms of length of service, and then you have the turnover by length of service, and the overall count. That gives you a split up, and this one gives the overall count, same here. And then we have a whole lot of departments in terms of a split of department wise thing. So for example, if I kind of scroll down, I see that I've actually also used this particular section here in the charts. So that's there. And this particular section, what I've done here is I've actually kind of created this particular one. It just looks at that specific overall total in there. So basically that's pretty much how it looks. And because if I try putting a chart for this, it'll get really cluttered, so I'm like looking to go ahead and use this. So I have done that. So that's pretty much what this chart does. You can see here it gives you a turnover, head count versus budget, goal. Again, all your headings again are dynamic. If you change there, it'll change here as well. And then you have your hired budget versus time to hire. What's your trend in terms of hires and things. So based on this, you can probably put in a notes or two, and say the hires that you have a gradual increase. There's a little bit of dip, and then you have a extreme peak just about in September. So that's pretty much. So you can add all your notes that you may prefer to add here as well. And if you want to go ahead and take a printout or save it as PDF, you may do so. And yeah, so that's pretty much where we are. I haven't actually touched the designing part of it here because I just wanted to leave it here. The reason is you're kind of familiar with what is here, and most of these are background work. So if you wanted to actually cascade this to your team, you may just hide that particular sheet and send it out. but it's just a call. It's pretty much how it works. Let me know if this works, and if there are any changes or two, I'll amend it. If not, I'll share the invoice for your consideration. All right, take care. Bye bye.